Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best false eyelashes. Here are the top 3 false eyelashes that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Ardell Natural Eyelashes. These next-level, natural strip lashes are short in length, light in volume, and provides the fullness that the user requires. These fake lashes are designed from Invisiband technology that disappears and seamlessly blends with the natural eyelashes. This accessory can be worn on special occasions including weddings, birthday parties, dance clubs, and vacation trips. The eyelashes are waterproof and can be used throughout the day without any side effects related to eye diseases or skin rashes. It renders a luminous, attractive, and a glamorous look that ensures an aesthetic appeal and catches the view of the opposite sex. At number 2. Kiss Products Eyelashes. It features revolutionary tapered and technology for naturally looking false eyelashes that are featherweight and voluminous. This product provides various types of lashes including mink lashes, wispy lashes, magnetic lashes that provides the eyes with much glare. The material used for these false eyelashes is mink fur, which is tender and soft and has dimensions measuring 1 by 4 by 5.5 inches. These lightweight lashes are made from tapered end technology, which makes the false lashes blend seamlessly with the eye. The kit includes an easy-angle false eyelash applicator which renders ease in wearing the lashes. At number 1. E.L.F Cosmetics False Lash Kit. These crisscross eyelashes create a double-layered effect and are visible with a natural, attractive look to the viewer. It creates a smoky eye effect in tandem with a pertinent makeover for the eye structure around the lashes. These lashes have exceptional camouflage technique which makes them visible as natural eyelashes and move with the eye shape without much difference. This product is cruelty-free approved and 100% vegan, which makes an environmental-friendly accessory aiming for wildlife improvement. In case of individuals having minimal lashes due to any disease or deficiency, this accessory can play a pivotal role for covering it, ensuring an alluring feel. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.